Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be fishing the Satilla River in South Georgia again. I did a video last year of me and Will fishing the Satilla, but I'm on my own today, so I'm going to see if I can catch some fish. Hopefully I'll catch some redbreast, some bluegill, maybe even some specks or bass. I have some a bucket full of crickets. I also have several artificial, so I'm going to try. So let's see what we can do. All right guys, we're going to start working this bank. Probably just going to start out with a cricket and cork. Fish maybe a foot deep along the edges there. See if we can catch something. Trolling motor down. Getting a bite there. Just a little one. Throw him back. Well, that's just a monster right there, isn't it? That's a tiny one there. I think we'll let him go. There we go, buddy. Oh, there's a pretty good one there, I think. Yes, not too bad. I would like to keep a few. I think I'll go ahead and put this one in the live well. And if we don't catch enough, I'll just throw him back once we get to the dock or to the ramp. A little gator on the bank there. Must be a little small one there. He's, yeah, a little on the smaller side. I'll throw him back. I just hung felt like a nice little fish on this creek hopper here. Didn't have the drag set right. That was too loose. So. Oh well. Maybe we'll catch another one. I'm not sure what it is. Got the drag a little loose. Oh, it got off. Not sure what that was. I was casting just the middle of the river here. Had a beetle spin on, and just hit it, just slammed it, and started pulling drags. I'm not sure what that was. So we're gonna keep at it. See if we can catch another one. Oh. Well, that's a tiny fish to hit a beetle spin. I just changed up the the colors of the beetle spin. I had a black and yellow, and I just changed to a yellow with a black dot on each side. Well, that one's got several black dots on that side and one on that side. But anyway, I just changed it up, and first cast I caught that little one there. Of course, he's going to go back in the water, but maybe I'll start catching more fish on it. We'll see. Oh, just hung a nice fish. Oh my goodness. Big one there. Oh, it's a big bluegill. My goodness. We're running to the tree here. But look at that bluegill. My goodness, I think it's huge. That's a nice one there. I'm excited about that one. We'll definitely put him in the live well. That's the biggest one I've caught in quite a while. My goodness. I'm happy over that one. Getting a bite there. Oh, just a little one. Throw him back. All right, guys, I think we're going to call it a day. We were out here a couple hours. Didn't catch a whole lot today. Did catch a very nice bluegill, and I may weigh it when I get home. And if I do, I'll put it in the video as well. But thanks for coming along, and until next time, see ya.